Lesson 16, asking about location. Excuse me, I'm looking for the Holiday Inn. Do you know where it is? Sure. It's down this street on the left. Is it far from here? No, it's not far. How far is it? About 1.5 miles. How long does it take to get there? 5 minutes or so. Is it close to the subway station? Yes, it's very close. The subway station is next to the hotel. You can walk there. Thanks a lot. Lesson 17. Do you know the address? Excuse me. Do you know how to get to the mall? Sure, I used to work there. Go straight for about 1 mile, then turn left at the light. The mall will be on the right. Do you know the address? Yes, the address is 541 Main Street. Can you write it down for me, please? No problem. Is it faster if I take Highland Avenue? No, that way is longer. There are more stop lights on that street. I think you're right. Thank you. Lesson 18, Vacation to Canada. What's today's date? It's July 5th. When are you going on vacation? I'm leaving on Sunday. We're going to Canada, really? The day after tomorrow. That's very soon. Yeah, I know. How long are you going to stay there? About 2 weeks. When are you coming back? I'm coming back on the 17th, all right. Have a nice trip. Lesson 19. Who is that woman? Joseph. Who is that woman? That's Susan. What does she do for work? She's a lawyer. Is she American? No, but she speaks English fluently. She's really tall. Do you know her? Yes, I know her. We're friends. Who's that man standing next to her? Which man? That short guy on her right. What's his name? Oh, that's Matt. He's really good looking. Yeah, do you know him? I don't know him, but I think my sister does. Is he married? Yes, he's married. I remember now. I met him before. Lesson 20. Common questions. Brian, do you know how to speak English? Yes. Where did you learn? I learned in college. You speak really well. Thank you. How long have you been in the U.S.? 3 weeks. Is your wife with you? Yes, she just got here yesterday. Have you been to California before? No. I've never been there. Have you ever been to Las Vegas? Yes. I went there once on a business trip.